So how to choose your lipstick? The first thing to choose your lipstick is to contain moisturizer, because you don't want when you get a lipstick your lips to get really dry. You need them to stay nice and moist, not to dry out and the skin to start peeling, and that normally happens in the summer when it's too hot from the UV light. So it's good to contain some filter, some protection from the sun filter. And then in the winter when it's cold, you need some moisturizer to keep them moist and not to the skin, for the skin not to break. And then the sunscreen protection we said. And let's see, like I showed you the MAC. I showed you MAC lipstick, and I'm sure it has the moisturizer and the sunscreen protection. And now I have another lipstick. It's Dior, Christian Dior, and it's how you know it contains moisturizer. It's like when you apply it, you will see this one is really nice because you can see the shine and you can see how moist it looks. And when you apply it to your lips, you will see how your lips they moisturize. It's the same thing as when you apply moisturizer on your face. It looks beautiful, and you can feel how your face gets moisturized. So this is the Dior, the Christian Dior 005. I will try to find that lipstick, and if you like the color, so you can go and buy it. I haven't used it because this is not the right color for me, but when you choose a lipstick, it's good for you to pick a few different shades so you have for any occasion. That's why I have bought this box of lipstick liner, because you don't know what kind of clothes. For example, this lipstick I've just put now, it's perfect, and the lip gloss on top is perfect for the summer, for the nice sunny weather, and it's perfect for the top I'm just wearing now, so it's really good color. The moisturizer I use, the Squeeze Me W7, it contains moisturizer, and it's gonna say on the back what it contains, which is really good. It contains mineral oil, and yeah, contains a little bit of perfume which can dry the lips, but at the same time it contains the mineral oil, which means that will keep my lips very moisturized. When you can choose a lip balm as well. Let's see, that's another lip gloss. I have Botanic's lip gloss, and it's beautiful. And why I picked it, because it contains a lot of oils, and I will show you, like, it's really nice, and it gives really nice smoothness, really nice shine as well. And it contains ginkgo biloba to help protect the coconut, and a coconut extract to help moisturize. So this is another good option to moisturize your lips. What else I can show you is I have the lipstick, Loreal lipstick, which is, it says made for me naturals, light brunettes. So this is the one, and that contains quite good amount of moisturizers, and it's like, the color is like that. So you can see, I think this is a beautiful color as well for me, and I can use again. I have plenty of lip liners to use. The next one I have, and I really love, and that's for special occasion, is the L'Oreal liquid lip color, and it looks like that. And as you can see, it's quite tall because I have used it a lot, and it makes, like, it's so nice and sparkly, and it's beautiful. I love it. And it's 06 Sun Crystal is the color. I will try to post the link underneath where you can buy it from, and the number. And my new addition is, when I ordered these lip liners, I bought Naked for this amazing lip color, and Muna is the shade, Mona, and it looks like that. And I really like the bottle. It looks beautiful, and this is the color. It's amazing, it's really good. And so this one, look how strong is that. This one is from AliExpress and it's beautiful color. The only thing is this is a long-lasting lip gloss, lip color, and it dries out on your mouth, and but it's not sticky, because most of the long-lasting ones, they're really sticky. So every time you do that, your mouth sticks, or when you eat something, breadcrumbs stick on your mouth, so it's not really nice. This one is really good. I'm really happy with it. So I will post the link as well in the description. And it's creamy, shiny, intensively moisturizing, and yeah, it contains vitamin A, avocado, shea butter to condition the lips, then rosehip seed oil for extra hits of vitamins. So it contains a lot of moisturizing. It can dry on your lips, but it contains a lot of moisturizers, and it's not that expensive, and I'm happy with it. I'm really happy with it. So the other thing is, when you choose your lipstick, make sure they contain this jojoba oil, rosehip oil, and this one did contain it, because jojoba oil heals the lips. That's really good if your so you know which lips to use. If your lips are broken, the skin is broken, pick a lipstick with jojoba oil. Or if you don't have lipstick with jojoba oil, just try to find jojoba oil and apply it on your lips to repair your lips. The next thing is the rosehip oil. It regenerates the skin. It's for aging, it's for scars, for dry skin. So this is another thing you can look, another oil you can look when you pick your lipstick. And not last is the shea butter, and that one contained it. So the shea butter, the next thing is the shea butter. It's moisturizing, it restores the skin cell elasticity, so it's amazing to have as well in your lipstick. So choosing a lipstick, it's not that easy. You need to know what to pick. First, to know your face color. So if you're very light, if your face is white, it's better for you to pick something like not very light, like very light pink, or because that's gonna make you even more pale. It's better to pick some a bit darker color to so it doesn't make your face look pale. When you get in the summer some suntan, your skin becomes a bit tanned. It's better to pick some natural colors like brownish, yellowish, and yeah, you will see when you apply your lipstick, you will see how you look. And if you don't feel normal when you're wearing your lipstick, if you feel uncomfortable, and then just don't do it, don't wear it. That's it, you don't have to. And there's no rules. If you like something, just wear it. If you like some kind of a lipstick, if you even if it's completely out of the rules, like it's not for your skin type, you don't have to. If you feel comfortable with it, just wear it. And I would just suggest you have to be careful which lip color you pick. It depends of the like occasion you're picking it for. Like if you're going to a interview for work, don't pick the very bright orangey color. Depends of what kind of interview you're having, of course, but be careful what colors you're picking. So I'm always careful, like if I am going out, what color I'm picking, if I'm going to a wedding, if I'm going to work. So I like to wear during the day more natural colors, not that strong, because you don't want to look like you overdone it. But it's nice to wear lipstick, and even if you just have like a lipstick, mascara, eyeliner, and some foundation on your face, that's enough to feel like a real woman, to feel like you've done, to feel pretty. So just wear whatever makes you pretty, and that's my advice. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I was helpful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! So I just wanted to show you quickly what happened with the lipstick I applied, the one with the lots of the Naked 4, the one with lots of vitamins. So I just tried to get rid of the other lipsticks with one wet napkin, and this one actually, look at that, just doesn't want to go away. It's so yeah, finally it's out. So it's so long lasting, and if I do like to wear it when I go to work and I know that I don't have time to reapply my lipstick, and it does last me for 8 hours. It's not as perfect as from the beginning, but it's beautiful and it stays on, so I don't have to reapply it. I just don't have time, so that's where I wear it. And it's perfect for a night out, like if you go out and you go out clubbing and you don't like to spend that much time in the bathroom doing your lip liner and lipstick, so you just go out and enjoy yourself. Thank you. I will see you soon again, and give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and see you in the next video. Bye.